Welcome to an academy for our CAT preparations. Now, the time frame we are left with is very less. Hence, we have started a morning session as well. Yeah. This is the part of that session. Morning may what we have decided that we will be doing daily problem practice, and this is the 22nd session on daily problem practice. Yes. So, what is the scenario? 10:30 a.m. morning. 4 days a week, and 9 p.m. daily, regular session. Now, we have completed all CAT relevant topics in our regular 9 p.m. session. So now what we have started some of the topics which are relevant for other management entrance tests. Great. So right now we are dealing with syllogisms. The syllogisms ka first part has been taken care of in the last session. Today is the second part of syllogisms. So I believe you would attend for sure the session to clear all your concepts on syllogisms. Syllogisms also go by the name logical deduction. Logical deduction. What's happening? Chalo, fine. First, just confirm me on my video and audio. Meanwhile, if I'm perfectly visible, if I'm perfectly audible. Till then, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ashish Kumar. I'm an extern faculty. I've got experience of 8 years of teaching. Starting from 2017, I've always produced a student who scores more than 99.9 plus percentile. Yes. This is the link to our family on Telegram channel. आपको करना क्या है? ये लिंक कॉपी कर लो, पेस्ट कर दो ब्राउजर में, एक इंटरफेस ओपन होगा. Look for Unacademy CAT over there. Look for Unacademy CAT over there. Join it. We are a very fast growing family and we have now 2500 plus members in it. आपको मिलेगा क्या वहां पर? गुड मॉर्निंग तरुण. आपको मिलेगा क्या वहां पर? आपको मिल जाएंगे सारे लेक्चर्स, आपको मिल जाएंगे सारे नोट्स. Also, you can interact with the educator of your choice over there. Sure. Very good. Samarth Gupta. Welcome, Samarth. Padisha Kaitan. Thanks, Bada. Samarth Gupta says, let's crack it. Yes, dear, we will crack it for sure. So, those who are planning to take the subscription, yes, this is the high time for 2020 as well as 2021. 2020 वालों के लिए भी and 2021 वालों के लिए भी. 2020 के लिए क्यों? Because this is the high time. You need more and more practice questions if you are prepared well, and plus you need more and more number of mocks. ठीक है? If you're not prepared, you need to clear your basics as soon as possible. And with the time frame that is left, it is very difficult to do it with the help of self-study. So you will need live classes for the same. And yes, you need doubt sessions. So 2020 के जितने candidate है, either you are prepared or you are not prepared. If you are prepared, we have practice questions and mocks for you. If you are not prepared, we have basics from all the educators of top educators of the country, and we have doubt sessions to clear your doubts quickly. Also, we have the complete sessions for ZAT and MAT, IIFT, all major management entrance tests. Chalo. I do strongly recommend students should go with 3 years package. 2 साल का package after the discount comes only for 18,900. And 1 साल का package is for 15,750. This is the subscription to your freedom towards preparation. Yes, आपको किसी पर dependent होने की जरूरत इसके बाद नहीं है. And I have already seen some of the let's crack it in the comment box. We will directly start the first question. Chalo. This is a doubt question. Okay, one of the question his student had raised this doubt, and I found this doubt to be like, हाँ ठीक है किया जा सकता है. I might have taken this question somewhere in past somewhere, but yes, it's a doubt question. Mitali Ambolkar, wait, but I'll answer that question. I'll answer that question. Okay. Okay, Ankita Sinha, Mitali. Ankita, you need to contact first for the same. I mean, we'll have to check what subscription is required and how would you prepare using the subscription. So drop me a message. We'll have a conversation over that first. So question is, who is the third previous student and what is his weight? Mitali Ambolikar, again 2021, it depends better. Like right now I'm focused on 2020 on YouTube because YouTube pe we have open platform previous. Right now I'm focused on 2020. Okay? But let me say I'll be starting 2021 ka batch on YouTube in around 2 months from now. And they can drop me a WhatsApp on this number. You can drop me a message on this number. Yes, you can connect with me over here. And yes, anybody who's confused regarding the strategy, regarding anything, how to like demotivated ho itne kam time mein kaise karna hai, anybody can connect. Okay? I don't have any issues with that. Anybody can connect. Chalo boys, attempt this question. When I'm new over here, don't worry, bada. Vanam, if you need any kind of like, ठीक है सर कैसे करना है क्या कर सकते हैं, how to prepare for 2020 or 2021, but feel free to call. Or even if you like want to have a casual talk, you can connect with me. No issues with that. Meanwhile, attempt the question, boys. Who's the third year student and what is weight? देखो, I always recommend a strategic preparation, organized preparation. Believe me, अगर आपने organized preparation किया ना, 6 to 8 months. This is for 2021 students. 6 to 8 months में you will be done with your basics perfectly and then practice mocks. You can ace the examination with 99 plus percentile with your hard work, with a sheer hard work. You understand? Chalo, you guys need some more time? Yeah, shall we discuss this question? It's a good case plate kind of question. It's a good caselet kind of question. Get hold of this. Shall we attempt this? चलो देखो, we will attempt this question. आ जाओ. We will attempt this question. देखो, the following are the weights of 5 students taken 3 at a time. ठीक है? Let's say I'll use the space only. I'll use the space only. We have 5 students. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. They are P, Q, R, S, T in any order. They belong to P, Q, R, S, and T. But the order is not what is like in the same order P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. Now, their weights are different. But yes, what they have done, they have selected 3 out of 5. इन 5 लोगों में से now they have selected 3 at a time. कौन से 3 पता नहीं. अच्छा, 5 लोग में से अगर आप 3 सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो टोटल कितने कॉम्बिनेशन बन जाएंगे? 5C3, yes or no, which is nothing but 10. So if you are selecting 3 persons out of 5 persons, total 10 different combinations बनेंगे. Yes, these are the 10 combinations. उनके वेट्स को ऐड कर दिया, so they are getting 125, 127, 128, 132, 133, all the way till 143. ठीक है? These would be the 10 different combinations of weight. तो उन्होंने सारे combinations के लिए weight दे दिया. वेलकम बालाजी. उन्होंने सारे combinations के लिए weight दे दिया. 10 combinations of weight. The weight of each of the student is a distinct integer. Right. So now what we will do, we will take this as, this would be our first student, second student, third student, fourth student, fifth student. The weights involved are, वो भी लिख लेते हैं, 125, 127, 125, 127, 128, 132, 133, 135, again 135, 136, 138, 143. These are the 10 combinations of weight. Okay, let this be the lightest. इसको हम लोग बोल देंगे he is the lightest. And let him be the heaviest. Lightest and heaviest. ठीक है? अब आप बताओ. So this would be heaviest. This guy would be second heaviest. This guy would be third heaviest, fourth heaviest, and lightest, and so on. Okay? Sure. Now what is given? PQS together weighs 16 kg less than RST. R plus S plus T minus P plus Q plus S equals 16. Equals 16. Great. बहुत बढ़िया. अब देखो. T is the heaviest. It is known that T is the heaviest. So T automatically यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. Great. Then now let me change the color of the pen. It's a very important concept. You know what? Very important concept. Chalo. We know that RST minus PQS is 16. अब आप चेक करो what could be the possible weight of RST and what could be the possible weight of PQS. इसमें से क्या क्या possible है RST और PQS चेक करके बताओ. Now this is one of these. Same goes with this. This is one of these. What could be the possible weight for RST and PQS? Check it. Check the data given. Check the data given. RST minus PQS 16 का difference. Where is 16 का difference? This is 143. Yes, and this is 127. The only possibility. Okay, indicates. It has a clear indication that RST must be 143 and PQS must be 127. ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. इससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कुछ नहीं. इस क्वेश्चन का जान आने वाला है, थीम आने वाला है. ठीक है, आप बताओ. लेट मी टेक दिस एज 1 2 3 4 and 5. हेवीएस्ट, लाइटेस्ट. ठीक है, पोजीशन 1, पोजीशन 2, पोजीशन 3, पोजीशन 4, पोजीशन 5. ये RST is the sum of, is the highest possible sum, 143. RST is 143. So RST कहां पर होंगे? T तो 5th पे है. R और S कहां पर होंगे बेटा? T तो 5th पे है. R और S. ना द सम इज, 3 लोगों का सम हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल कब है? यहां पर 1 2 3 4 5 में 3 लोगों का सम हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल कब होगा? चेक दैट. When will the sum would be highest possible for 3 persons? It would be only when they are the 3 highest people, 3 most weighing people in the system, in the lot. So I must say R, S and T, they must be on 3, 4, 5 in any order. T already 5 पे है, so R and S must be at 3 and 4. Yes. R and S must be at 3 and 4 in any order. Correct? चलो, so this has, देखो एक ही क्लू था मेरे पास प्रोसीड करने के लिए. Yes, एक ही क्लू था मेरे पास प्रोसीड करने के लिए. That was R plus S plus T minus P plus Q plus S. It has to be 16. That was the only clue. That was the only clue. ठीक है? So RST from the data is 143. PQS from the data is 127. ठीक है? Great. This gives me idea कि R, S and T are 3 most heaviest students. ठीक है? चलो. Also observe this. PQS is 127. ठीक है? What do you think? What places they will occupy? P, Q and S. What do you think? P, Q, S. Where would they lie? This is the second. अच्छा, उससे पहले बात करते हैं. जो lightest है 125. 125. This is the like the least possible sum of 3 students. Least possible sum of 3 students. So students must be at 123. 125 के लिए 125 वाले मतलब they must be at 123. 127 is the second lightest. 127 is the second lightest. 127 is the second lightest. What do you think? PQS, what positions they will occupy? What positions they will occupy? Yes, they will occupy 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 फॉर द लीस्ट, 1, 2 and 3 फॉर द लीस्ट, सेकेंड लीस्ट चाहिए तो इसमें से 3 निकाल के यू हैव टू ऐड 4. बट सर 16 डिफरेंस टी के वेट की वजह से भी हो सकता है ना. देखो आप बोल रहे हो कि टी का जो ये जो 16 का डिफरेंस है वो केवल टी की वजह से हो सकता है. ठीक है, चलो अगर इस बात को अज्यूम कर लिया जाए, इस बात को अज्यूम कर लिया जाए, एस दोनों में कॉमन है. ओके, एस दोनों में कॉमन है और आप बोल रहे हो कि टी इज ग्रेटर देन पी प्लस क्यू बाई 16. टी इज ग्रेटर देन पी प्लस क्यू बाई 16. What you're saying? T minus P plus Q is 16. What you're saying is this. So I'm not saying this is wrong. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन से तो यही मिल रहा, this is wrong. I'm not saying this. ठीक है, लेकिन इसको आगे इंटरप्रेट कैसे करोगे? इसको आगे इंटरप्रेट कैसे करोगे? इसका आगे का लॉजिक क्या है? इसका आगे का लॉजिक क्या है? इसके आगे का लॉजिक क्या है? इसके आगे हम कुछ मूव नहीं कर पाएंगे यहां से बेटा. इसके आगे मूव करने के लिए कुछ, दिस इज अ डेड एंड. दिस इज अ डेड एंड. यहां से आगे मूव करने जैसा कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी व्हिच इज नॉट रॉन्ग. ठीक है, चलो हाँ, इसके आगे अगर आपको कुछ दिख रहा है, मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा, कुछ दिख रहा है तो बताओ. आई डेफिनेटली, अगर मे बी आई ट्राई टू लुक इनटू इट. इफ इट आई फिगर आउट कि हाँ ठीक है कुछ मिल रहा है तो वी कैन प्रोसीड विद दैट एज वेल. Okay, T plus R, P plus Q. Okay, the idea is same. The idea is same. T plus R, yes, yes, yes. T plus R और माइनस Q plus S. ठीक है, P plus Q. बट अगेन इसके बाद क्या? इसके बाद क्या? इसके बाद क्या? तो हमें ऐसे नहीं करना था, हमें पूरा बैच चेक करना था. ठीक है, RST 143 हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल वेट, सो दे वुड बी 3 हाईएस्ट अनडाउटेडली. R के लीस्ट होने की पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है. ओके, आपका ये डाउट है, आपका ये डाउट है. रुक जाओ, रुक जाओ, रुक जाओ. ओके, तो ऐसा बोलो ना, आपका ये डाउट है क्लियर कट ना. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. क्यों? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. क्यों? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. देखो बेटा, सोचो सोचो. इफ R इज एट 1, इमेजिन R इज एट 1. ठीक है, जस्ट इमेजिन. ठीक है, S and T आर एट 4 and 5. T तो चलो 4 पे है. ठीक है, इमेजिन R एट 1. इमेजिन R एट 1. इमेजिन R एट 1. T ओवर हियर और S को कहीं भी डाल दो. चलो आपका और भी एलेबरेट करते हैं. S को कहीं भी डाल दो. S को चलो यही डाल दिया. ठीक है, तो अब आप बताओ, अब आप बताओ, R प्लस S प्लस T, R प्लस S प्लस T का जो वेट होगा वो हाईएस्ट होगा क्या? R प्लस S प्लस T मतलब 1 प्लस 4 प्लस 5 पे जो है, विल दैट बी हाईएस्ट? नहीं ना. देख लो ना, 3 प्लस 4 प्लस 5 कहीं उससे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट, उससे ज्यादा बड़ा है ना. 3 प्लस 4 प्लस 5 ज्यादा बड़ा है ना. and we know that this is 143 which is highest. ये जो data है मेरे पास 143 r plus s plus 3 is highest. This is what is given in the question. This is what is given in the question. From here ठीक है बोल सकते थे, लेकिन जब आप इस डेटा को इंक्लूड करते हो सर 143 is the highest, so R, S and T they have to be the three heaviest students. They have to be three heaviest students. अगर ये डेटा नहीं होता हमारे पास तो आप जो बोल रहे थे उसको हम सपोर्ट कर सकते थे, हम लोग उसको हम लोग सपोर्ट कर सकते थे, फिर R और S को हम लोग कहीं भी पुट कर सकते थे. But since 143 is the highest possible sum of weight, they have to be the three highest students. They have to be the three highest students. I believe थोड़ा क्लियर हुआ होगा आपको. चलो. So 143 they are the three high students. ठीक है. Now PQS they are the second lightest. The lightest would be the lightest would be 1 plus 2 plus 3. Second lightest would be 1 plus 2 plus 4. You can check that. Second lightest would be 1 plus 2 plus 4. So we can say कि क्या सेकेंड लाइटेस्ट वाले 1 plus 2 plus 4 है, तो P plus Q plus S, P, Q and S they are at 1, 2 and 4. 1 पे आएगा P, Q, S और एक आ जाएगा 2 पे और एक आ जाएगा 4 पे, एक आ जाएगा 4 पे. ठीक है. चलो. Now when we check from first and second, where could S be? First से आपको क्या मिल रहा है? S has to be at 4 और 3, और second में आपको मिल रहा है S has to be at 1, 2 और 4. Now S should satisfy both of them, so S must be at 4. S should satisfy both of them, so S must be at 4. S को 4 पे होना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? चमका तो हैशटैग चमका लिखो. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं है, फटाफट हो जाएगा, फटाफट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. चलो. S has to be at 4. चलो. S would be at 4. R minus S का डिफरेंस 1 नहीं है बेटा. ये तो पोजीशन दिया है एक, मतलब आइडिया लगने के लिए. द एक्चुअल वेट्स आर डिफरेंट. ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पोजीशन है. ठीक है. फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वी डिड फिगर्ड आउट दैट T is at 5, R and S is at 3 और 4. मतलब S या तो 3 पर है, S या तो 4 पे है. फ्रॉम दिस S is either at 3, S is at 4. S is at 3 और S is at 4. ठीक है. और PQS से पता चला कि S is either at 1, 2 और 4. S is at 1, 2 और 4. ये सेकंड वाले से पता चला. ठीक है. नाउ दोनों में S कॉमन क्या है? 4. सो S would be at 4. S would be at 4 and R would be at 3. P and Q could be at 1 and 2 in any order. P and Q could be at 1 and 2 in any order. P and Q could be at 1 and 2 in any order. चलो. बॉस अभी तक ना मतलब दिस इज नॉट समथिंग विच आई एम पासिंग एज अ पर्सनल कमेंट. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि ये सारी चीजें ना आपको क्लियर हो जानी चाहिए, मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा समझाने के बाद एटलीस्ट. नहीं हो रहा है तो बॉयज एक बार ना रिव्यू योर प्रिपरेशन. लाइक इट माइट नॉट बी ऑन द राइट ट्रैक या डाइसी, ठीक है. सो यस, कंसल्ट मी. मतलब कंसल्ट, आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर, बट यस आई कैन गाइड यू कि अभी से व्हाट कैन बी डन, like what is the best possible thing that you can do. LRDI is one of the most toughest section, is the toughest, one of the most, it's the toughest section of CAT. So feel free to reach me out, yes, and we can discuss what can be done to improve from now. Okay, so even if you are doing self study, it does not matter, just reach me out. Chalo, let's move ahead. So this is what we got till now. This is what we got till now. ठीक है, चलो. अब देखो. No, it could be at 1 and 2 in any order. It could be at 1 and 2 in any order. ठीक है. P and Q का आपको पोजीशन नहीं पता, but yes, T is the heaviest, S is the second heaviest, R बीच में है, P and Q. समझने के लिए, केवल समझने के लिए, we will take this order, P and Q. Although it could be Q and P, लेकिन यहां के बाद समझने के लिए बाद में मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूंगा. करेक्ट. बाद में मैं I'll introduce Q and P as well. Let us assume कि चलो this is the correct order. ठीक है, चलो चलो. अब क्या करेंगे ना, what we will do is कि ये जो डेटा गिवन है, this is the sum of 3 people. Each data is sum of 3 people, and this is the all possible combination. Hang on. This is the all possible combination. What will you get if you add all of this? आप इन सबको ऐड करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 125 plus 127 plus 128 plus 132 plus 133 plus 135 plus 135 plus 136 plus 138 plus 143. If you add all of this, what you'll get? What you'll get? Add करके बताओ एक मिनट. What are we getting? What are we getting? Add करने के बाद, when you'll add this, you'll get बताओ. Is this 1372? Add it. 1322 या 1332? देखो, you guys are here only contradicting yourselves. चलो 1322 है. I believe it would be 1332. एक बार चेक कर लो समर. ठीक है, could be, could be. मेरा लॉजिक अलग है. Now this is the addition of how many people? This is the addition of 30 people. Or I can write it is addition of 6 times P plus Q plus R plus S plus T. This is nothing but 6 times P plus Q plus R plus S plus T. Or we can write P plus Q plus R plus S plus T is equal to 1332 by 6 is 2 to 2. यही मेरा लॉजिक था बेटा. It should have been divisible by 6. ठीक है, तो we know that P plus Q plus R plus S plus T is 2 to 2. सर ये कैसे किया, समझा या बताओ? सर ये कैसे किया, समझा या बताओ? P plus Q plus R plus S plus T would be triple 2. देखो, this is all possible combination ना. 3 लोग हर एक जगह है. टोटल 30% होंगे. अब 30% में कोई बायसिंग नहीं है. So P, Q, R, S and T, they must have been featured equal number of times. They must have been featured equal number of times. So each must have featured 6 times. 6 times P, 6 times Q, 6 times R, 6 times S, 6 times T. So P plus Q plus R plus S plus T would be 1332 divided by 6, which is 2 to 2. ठीक है? Yes, yes, yes. The last part. The last part. The last part. Now it can be done very easily. It can be done very easily. What we have? We have P plus Q plus R plus S plus T. ठीक है, अब देखो, out of which R plus S plus T was how much? 143. So P plus Q would be equal to how much? 222 minus 143. This gives me 57, 67, 77, 79. P plus Q would be 79. अब इसके बाद आप आपका मैथमेटिक्स लगा सकते हो. We know that R plus S plus T is 143. Now we know this already from previously. So P plus Q मिल गया. Also we knew that P plus Q plus S. The second heaviest person, the P plus Q plus S was 127. You know P plus Q, you can solve for S. S would be 27, 21, 48. S का weight would be 48. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Chalo. Also, we know that. P plus Q plus R lightest है ना? P plus Q plus R lightest है. Correct? And this would be 125. From here you will get R. R would be 46. R would be 46. ठीक है, चलो. अब we know that R plus S plus T is 143. We know that R plus S plus T is 143. R और S मिल गया 80, 88, 94. Correct? So T would be 49. P would be 49. Correct? The second heaviest group. अच्छा, the second heaviest 138 किसका sum होगा? 138 would be the sum of 138 would be the sum of T plus S plus Q. Second heaviest, you have T, you have S, as how much? 48 and 49 together they are 97. So this would be, Q would be 41. S and T are 97. This must be, for Q must be 41. ठीक है? And last but not the least, आप P भी निकाल सकते हो, P Q R से कहीं से भी, अब तो आपके पास सब कुछ है, ठीक है? Q plus S is 8, 8, 89, 89, 11, 38. This is 38. And now we will introduce, we didn't knew it was PQ or QP. We didn't knew it was PQ or it was QP. We didn't knew. हम वापस put कर देंगे. Wait. Now based on this, अब आपको सब कुछ मिल गया. Based on this, PQ QP का order नहीं पता, RST, and the weights are 38, 41, 46, 48, and 49. Here is your set of answers. Here is your set of answers. ठीक है? And now you can answer any of the question. And now you can answer any of the question. ठीक है? Like the first question. What is the average weight of the 5 students? खैर average weight तो इधर ही मिल गया था आपको. 222 was the total weight of 5 students. 222 was the total weight of 5 students. Average was 220 by 5. That is 44.4. ठीक है? This was the answer to the first question. C was the answer to the first question. अब सर T के वेट का 16 kg का पॉसिबल एंड हुआ. चलो ठीक है. Who is the third heaviest student? तो third heaviest student is R. Third heaviest student is who? R. What is the weight of the heaviest student? Heaviest student का weight क्या है बेटा? तो heaviest student is T, whose weight is 49. Next, what is the difference between the weight of Q and S? Q and S. So what is Q? Q का पता नहीं. Q is either 38 or 41. Q is either 38 or 41. S का क्या है बेटा? S is 48. तो इनका डिफरेंस क्या हो गया? It cannot be determined. दो वैल्यूज है ना, either the difference is 10 or the difference is 7. तो 10 भी हो सकता है और 7 भी हो सकता है, बट आंसर में cannot be determined है, तो it should be cannot be determined. What's the maximum difference between? What's the maximum possible difference between the weights of any two students? The maximum possible difference could be 49 minus 38. 49 minus 38. This goes by 11. This goes by 11. Am I clear with this? चलो बॉयज, थोड़ा सा ना देखो, mark my words, 90 to 95% of the effort, 90 to 95% of the effort comes from your side. It's very critical, beta. Understand your role in preparation. It's very critical. ठीक है? The preparation is yours only for you. The preparation is yours only for you. ठीक है? किसी और को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Mark my words. Don't end up wasting your time, beta. Don't end up wasting your time. Time is the most precious thing that you have. Please work on your time. Please, please, I request. Please do this. ठीक है? चलो. Well, I thought कि एक और क्वेश्चन ले लेंगे, but यहाँ से I am not left with sufficient time. Although I'll provide you with few questions. I have 3 more set of questions. I have 3 more set of questions. ठीक है? That would be in the description. कल क्या करेंगे? Directly उनके solution से start करेंगे. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any queries regarding anything, drop in the comment box, beta. Yes, start working. Still, you have some time left. Believe me, you have some time left. Work very hard. Utilize your time, please. Now, I've added one more session over here. मैं अब क्या करूंगा ना, इसका लेंथ भी बढ़ा दूंगा. Like from 1 hour, I'll take it to 1.5 hour morning में. I'll be taking your classes at 10:30 a.m. and I'll increase the timing. ठीक है? I want कि आप लोगों का स्कोर मैक्सिमाइज हो. Please, you guys work in the same direction. Please. Yeah. Those who are new on Telegram अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया, join this. ये लिंक कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर दो ब्राउजर पे. एक इंटरफेस ओपन होगा. Look for Unacademy CAT. Join it quickly. सब्सक्रिप्शन, इससे ना 2020 वालों को भी फायदा है और 2021 वालों को भी फायदा है. क्या 2020 वालों को भी फायदा है और 2021 वालों को भी फायदा है. 2021, there are many early birds who have already started their preparation. Even if you are not sharp, with the hard work, you can start from scratch and ace to 99 plus percentile easily. ठीक है. 2020 वाले, one who are prepared, one who are not prepared. Those who are prepared, उनके लिए क्या है? उनके लिए practice sessions है. Lots. You can interact with the educator for last minute tips. You have mocks available in plenty. You have doubt sessions. ये आपके काम का है. ठीक है? जो लोग अभी भी डाइसी है जिनका preparation, you guys can start your preparation and boost your speed. Yes. And again, you have live classes to support you. You have doubt sessions to boost your speed. Do this. We have something for everybody. And jinka dicey hai unke liye, like we have entire courses for ZAT, NMAT, IIFT, and so on. We have full-length courses for this. Start working on your career. This is for you only, and all this benefit comes bundled only in 15,750 for 1 year and 18,900 for 2 years. These are the price of nuts. Just imagine. एक साइकिल इससे महंगी आती है आजकल. And we are targeting a BMW. Yes. Chalo. If you have any queries, reach me out for anything. We'll meet tomorrow again at the same time. Meanwhile,